So in order to debone the chicken legs, we need to make sure that we have the chicken legs intact, including their back. So this is the back of the chicken leg, this is the thigh, and this is the leg. You want to keep all the skin intact because the skin is what's going to help you bind all the farce if you're going to stuff it in here. Any excessive pieces of fat, you can always take that off. And then you want to flip it on the back side. You want to take away this piece. Using your boning knife, you want to cut on the surface of the back, so loosening up the skin. So once you pull the skin back, you can see the back being exposed. Once the back is exposed, you come to the joint, the portion where the back is attached to the thigh. What you have here is a joint, so you can just gradually cut in between the knuckle and separate the back. So save the backs because you might need it for a sauce. Flipping it over on the other side, you can feel for the thigh bone and the leg bone. You want to expose the thigh bone. And once you see the thigh bone in here, take your boning knife under the thigh bone, loosen it up from the edge. Scrape down all the meat till you can see the knuckle. The knuckle is what joins the thigh bone to the leg bone. In order to take off the thigh bone, you cut in between the knuckle and you loosen up the thigh bone. What you have here is a deboned piece of chicken leg which has the leg bone intact, but the thigh is totally taken off. Now, you also want to French the bottom of the legs. A couple of ways of doing it is you cut it around the edge, and then using a nice clean towel, you just want to take away all of the skin that comes along. And you have a nice clean knuckle, and that's how you would go about deboning your chicken leg. To shape it, you can place it in the center, place all skin inside, and that's how you debone your chicken leg.